Hello guys, here's my fast lap at Karting Eupen. As we're heading into the final sector, we want to make sure we have the maximum speed heading into the first corner. Now braking very hard, trying to stay as close to the left barrier. Already focusing on the next corner, we're going to turn very sharp and early and make sure we stay away from the left barrier here. Now we're going to prepare ourselves for the next sequence of corners. Now here, we turn very early, get very early on the gas, so we have the maximum speed heading into the banked corner. Now going into the next corner, we're going to make sure we're trailing until the mid corner, and we're going to take the shortest line so we gain some lap time. Now we're going to sacrifice this corner so we take the maximum speed into the next sequence of corners. Now heading onto the bridge, we want to make sure we have the maximum speeds. Now braking very early, but also getting very early on the gas, as the RPMs tend to get very low. Now taking here the shortest line again, and now with a lot of speed going into this corner, we're going to trail brake until mid corner. Now keep turning left because there's not a lot of grip and you can slip out. Now actually going to the corner, as that will actually gain you time. Now we're going to just almost prepare ourselves for this corner. And now very hard on the gas, so we have the maximum speed onto the final straight. Now we actually want to go a bit further so we gain some lap time, like here portrayed. Thanks for watching.